In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to calculate a rank in Excel. By the end, you'll know exactly how to set up a ranking formula, lock your reference range correctly, and copy it across your data without errors. Start by opening Excel and heading to the worksheet that holds the numbers you want to rank. Choose the cell where you want the first rank to appear. We'll write a formula there. Begin by typing an equal sign. This tells Excel you're entering a formula. Now type rank. You can select the function from the suggestions if it appears, or keep typing to complete it. Excel's rank function needs three parts: the value you want to rank, the range you're ranking against, and the order. First, click the cell that contains the value to be ranked series. For example, if your first number is in B2, select B2 so Excel knows which number to compare. Next, select the entire range that contains all the values you want to use for ranking. Click and drag to highlight them. Be careful not to include headers or extra blank cells. Stick to the actual data, like B2 through B15. Now, it's essential to fix this range so it doesn't shift when you copy the formula down. Add dollar signs to make it absolute, so it looks like B2 $15. A quick tip: after selecting the range, you can press the F4 key to toggle those dollar signs automatically. Finally, specify the ranking order. If you want the highest value to be rank 1, use descending order. You can either leave this argument blank, since descending is the default, or type 0 to be explicit. If you want the smallest value to be rank 1, type 1 for ascending order. Press enter to see the first result. To apply the same logic to the rest of your list, copy the formula to the other cells in the rank column. You can drag the fill handle down or double-click it to autofill. Because we fixed the range with dollar signs, each row will correctly compare its value against the same full set of numbers. A quick note on ties: if two values are equal, they'll receive the same rank, and the next rank will be skipped. That's normal behavior for rank. If you edit your data later, the rankings update automatically. If anything looks off, double check that your reference range is correct, fixed with dollar signs, and doesn't include headers. And that's it. Your ranks are calculated and ready to use.